Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to discuss important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those levels and structures in next week for finding possible buy and sell opportunities. So before going into the price action, we are going to discuss the latest data from the gold futures. And in gold futures, we are going to check and discuss the total volume and open interest trend. Because for this week also, we do not have the latest commitment of traders report with us. So we have to check this data only. So for the volume, you can see that the current volume chart, you can clearly see that the volume showing a downtrend. Previously, the trend was in uptrend and the volume was increasing day by day, but now from this high the volume is going down day by day. Same is going with the open interest. Open interest was previously high for this 3-month period, and now the open interest is almost flat. So if you remember the previous week analysis video also, I clearly mentioned that the indication is not good for a longer term for bulls, because both currently is not showing any favorable bullish rally or new bullish rally, and the current trend is currently showing a consolidation kind of scenario. And from these two and from the latest data, the sentiment is still into the consolidation phase only. So now let's move on to the price action and see what we can do and what we can expect in next week. So if you remember the previous week analysis video, my view was clearly to look for the buy, because the price was breaking out from the consolidation, this consolidation, and now in previous week we have seen a very good bull run, but after making a high around this level, around 4240, this was the high in previous week, the high around 4240 roughly, we can say. You can see that after consolidating, after a decline move, price was consolidating and price break out from the consolidation with a good good bullish candle, and we have seen a continuation into the higher side. And the Fibonacci levels from this high to this low, this level 4192, this was the 60% retracement, and 4134 was the 50% retracement into the higher side. But as you can see, gold price after making or breaking out this level, this 60%, we have seen that the price on to the very next day reversed back, and we have not seen any follow-up candle from thereafter. So now as you can see, price again returning back, and it is currently now trading under 50% retracement, which is not a good sign from the current scenario, current price action scenario. And now what are the levels that we have to watch carefully? As you can see, previously this trend line was acting as support on daily time frame, and it is again now acting as a support. We have seen a rejection from this trend line, and price just closed above this level. Also price respecting the monthly pivot. This is the monthly pivot from here to here. This is the 4067 level, 4067. So price is rejecting and respecting. So we have to watch this area very carefully for next week on daily closing basis. If we see any breakdown from this trend line and also see a breakdown from 4067, then price can move down like this. And as you remember, if you remember the previous week analysis, I clearly mentioned that this was the previous consolidation, and price can extend or move up and extend this consolidation. Same is happening on the chart. Now the consolidation for this bull run is increasing, and I think now this is a new consolidation range. This is the low and this might be the high as per the current scenario, and price can now move like this, like this. This is the possible scenario on daily time frame unless we break out from this range. So currently the price is still showing the consolidation sign, and it is currently showing some weakness clearly. So to see or to look for sell, we need to wait price to break down from this area on daily time frame. And if we see breakdown and if price again return back under this consolidation, this is the level that we have to watch. Or roughly we can consider this psychological 4000, that is 4000 level. We have to watch this very carefully. Price breakdown and close under this, then we can expect a selling toward the lower level again. And to look for buy and to see again strength, now price need to break out the level, and the level that we have to watch, let me show you. Let me clear the Fibonacci levels first. And into the higher side, if we see this as a high and this as a low, and to move high, I mean to regain the bullish strength, now price need to break out the 60% retracement again, this level 4163. So to rebuy or to see the strength, price need to close on daily time frame above to this level. If price close above this level, then only we can look for the buying, and then it is a sign that the bulls are still in the game. Because yes, we have a rejection, but to confirm the rejection and to confirm the strength, price need to claim this area first, 4138, and then 4163 or roughly 4165. We need to wait price to claim this area, claim this level, then only we can look for the fresh buying. But under these two levels, 4138 or 4163, the selling is still favorable for scalping only. Yes, I am repeating this again, that for gold currently, I think selling is to be valid for scalping only, and for any deep buying we can wait for the lower level, or we need a strength sign. So buying is more favorable but need more money management, because currently the price is in consolidation. And for sell, yes, again the same goes with the sell, but I think sell is risky because currently price is taking consolidation, and it can overall resume bullish trend anytime on higher time frame, like on daily and on weekly. The strength is still there and we can expect any fresh rally anytime soon. So it is better to look for dip buying on higher time frame. So to look for buying, we need to wait for lower price like this if we see rejection, or if we see strength, we need to wait for a breakout from here. Under this, a consolidation is possible like this. So this is the critical level that we have to watch, and this is the secondary level into the higher side that we have to watch carefully. This is the zone that we have to take care now for next week on daily closing. So this is the scenario. Currently the price is closed with a bearish candle, and we can expect some bearish pressure in next week, and price can stay like this. Or if we see breakdown, then price can visit this level, and then on breakdown we can expect a more lower level. So this is the overall scenario on daily time frame. And in lower time frame, what are the levels and structure we have to take care? Now discuss that. So on 4-hour time frame, on 30-minute, this is the 30-minute time frame. If you remember the previous week analysis, you can see that the price was moving upside with the help of this ascending CPR formation. As you can see, day by day the CPR formation was in ascending scenario and the price was moving with the help of this, but on Friday price breakdown and close under the CPR, which is not a good sign for short term. And the next day CPR level is around here, and the top central for the next day, that is on Monday, the TC level is around 4123. So if price not able to break out this level on lower time frame, like on 30-minute or 1 hour, we can consider, or 4 hour also we can consider. If price failed to claim and close above this level, then I think we can expect the continuation into the downside or into the consolidation phase. And to move high, price need to claim this level 4130 to 4140 area. Yes, into the lower time frame we have to look here for any possible strength, but under this, and we have to take care of the CPR formation for next day. If the CPR is going to form descending like this, then price can move down. But if we see strength, again we have to watch these level, and that we discussed on daily time frame also. So yes, it is also showing some weakness sign on lower time frame. And on weekly price action, you can see that on weekly time frame, previously in previous week we have seen some good rebound from the price from the down move, but as you can see, the week closed with a very big rejection, but the candle is still green, and we can expect some more like movement into the higher side, and price again can move down, because as you can see previously, if we see the overall scenario, this was the good bullish candle, and again next week we have seen a bearish candle which rejected from the low. Then again next week price rejected from the low, then a doji, and now as you can see the current week closed under this high and this high. So on weekly, this is the current resistance, this week high, the price failed to close about this level, so this is currently at a resistance, and we have a rejection from the high. So on weekly also the current scenario is in consolidation, and we can expect like this. And to move high again, price need to close on weekly basis, as per the weekly price action, need to close about to a previous week high. Under this, a consolidation is still into the play. So the overall sentiment is currently in consolidation to correction phase as per the current price action development and price action data. So we can act accordingly, and for any further development we are going to discuss that on live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.